Hello everybody, welcome back to TechTube. I hope you all are doing great. So today I am back with another tutorial video of how you can change Spotify playlist picture. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Spotify application. Once you open it, you'll be appear with the home page of Spotify. So in order to change the playlist picture, what you can do is go ahead and tap on that little profile icon which is appear on the top left corner. Now go ahead and tap on settings and privacy. Now tap on your profile, and as you can see your playlist right here, go ahead and select any playlist from your playlist. For instance, I've selected this. Now go ahead and tap on the three dots and tap on edit. So here you can also change the playlist name and you can also change the image. So in order to change the picture for that playlist, you can go ahead and tap on that change image option, and you can whether select it from your library or you can just take a picture, or you can also remove the current image that you have kept. So in order to change the Spotify playlist picture, go ahead and tap on choose from library and select any picture of your choice. Once you are done with it, you can go ahead and simply tap on save and you are good to go. So that's all guys, this is how easily you can change the Spotify playlist picture. I hope you found the video to be helpful and informative. If yes, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.